Stars up in the endless night, shining like the city's light. Dreams are flowing like a stream. Life is more than it might seem. Clouds are dancing in the air, freedom flying everywhere. Whispers of the unseen world, every moment in a twirl. Infinite skies touch my soul, every night takes its toll. In this moment I feel whole, stars above make me bold. Waves are crashing on the shore, echoes calling evermore. Stories told by moonlit kites, in the stillness love resides. Mountains rising, reaching high, touching far above the sky. In their shadow we will play, in their grooves we'll find our way. Infinite skies touch my soul, every night takes its toll. In this moment I feel whole, stars above make me bold. Waves are crashing on the shore, pebbles calling evermore. Stories told by moonlit tides, stars above make me bold. Waves are crashing on the shore, pebbles calling evermore. Stories told by moonlit tides, stars above make me bold. Infinite skies touch my soul, every night takes its toll. In this moment I feel whole, stars above make me bold. Sun is shining bright above. Feel the warmth, feel the love. Running barefoot in the sand. Life is good, life is grand. Waves are crashing in the sea. Salt and breeze set us free. Laughing loud and having fun, chasing moments in the sun. Summer dreams in the air, magic moments everywhere. They turn flight with a smile. Stay with me for a while. in the sunshine serenade. Golden dreams in the air, magic moments everywhere. Places night with a smile, stay with me for a while. Walking down the beach tonight, stars above the west so bright. In my hand a slice of gold, pineapple dreams to unfold.